Howdy, howdy, this is Mr. Potter. In today's video, we're going to talk about your quiz. You have a quiz coming up, and you're going to have to solve 5 problems with 5 different programs. So we've got 5 programs here. Each of them are almost perfect. Each of them almost do exactly what they're supposed to do. And your job is to complete the task, to finish it, to polish it up, to make it look good as new. So, by the way, all the links to these 5 Scratch projects are going to be down in the description, and of course your teacher will have those for you as well. So here's our first one, and when I go to my desktop, here it is. It says, when the green flag is clicked, both Gobo and Scratch Cat should start dancing, but only one Scratch Cat starts dancing. How do we fix the program? So I'm going to go ahead and click the green flag, and it says, Dance Party! And you see him dancing. And he says, fun! And he's dancing some more. But our little friend here, Gobo's, not doing anything. And remember that what we can do is we can see inside. So if I click see inside, I'm going to see the program. So here's the program for the sprite. Notice that when the flag is clicked, it says Dance Party. It repeats this thing. It tilts to the right for 15 degrees, waits for 0.2 seconds, then tilts to the left 15 degrees, waits for 0.2 seconds. That's why he's dancing so fast. And then he says fun, and then he repeats again. It repeats each of these things 10 times. Now that's what Scratch Cat is doing, and Gobo has the same program here, or at least he should. So what you need to do is figure out, how do we fix this? So that's going to be your first problem. What you're going to do is either create a remix of it and upload it to our studio, or you can just write down which steps you're going to take and take care of those and put those on your paper your teacher's going to ask. Your teacher will give you more information about this in class. So that's our first question. Our second question is at this address, scratch.mit.edu projects, and when I take a look at it, it says, in this project, when the green flag is clicked, the Scratch Cat should start on the left side of the stage, say something about being on the left side, glide to the right side of the stage, and say something about on the right side. It worked the first time the green flag is clicked, but not again. And the question is, how do we fix the program? So here's the flag. He likes the left side. He's on the left side, but then he glides to the right side and says he likes the right side too. And then no matter how many times I click the flag, he doesn't move back to the left side. Notice it said the Scratch Cat should start on the left side. So if I click on see inside, here's our code. And what we need to do is find out how to get it so that the cat's starting on the left side. So that's going to be how you solve question number 2. All right, question number 3. Here's at this address. And what we have to do is solve this problem. It says the Scratch Cat should do a flip when the space key is pressed, but when the space key is pressed, nothing happens. How do we fix the program? So if I click on the flag, here's our Scratch Cat. If I hit the space bar, nothing's happening. Interesting. So I'm going to see inside, and I notice it says when the space key is pressed, it does some turns. So it should be doing some flips. Why is it not doing flips? How would you fix it so that he does do flips? So that's what you're going to have to do for this third problem. Okay, our fourth problem is going to be at this web address here. This is question 4's web address. By the way, all these are going to be links down in the description, and your teacher will also give these to you, so don't fear. So if I click on the fourth one, it says in this project, the Scratch Cat should pace back and forth across the stage when the cat is clicked. But the cat is flipping out and is walking upside down. How do we fix the program? So if I click this and it says whenever the Scratch Cat is clicked, then, oh, there, wow, he did flip upside down. So what we need to do is figure out how to fix that. I'm going to stop him in his tracks. We're going to see inside and we see what happens. Now this should look very familiar when we did the Pong game together, where we had the ball bouncing at a particular angle. So what we need to do is figure out, how do we fix it so that he doesn't flip upside down, how he just runs back and forth. So that's what we're going to have to do in this fourth program. And then finally, we have the fifth program. Here's question 5, and here's the address for it. And in this fifth question, what we need to do is address this. It says, in the project, when the green flag is clicked, the Scratch Cat should say meow, meow, meow in a speech bubble and as a sound. But the speech bubble happens before the sound, and the Scratch Cat only makes one meow sound. How do we fix this program? So let's go ahead and click on the flag. It says meow, meow, meow in a speech bubble, and yeah, that was just one meow. So what we need to figure out is, one, how do we get it to meow at the same time the speech bubble is up? And two, how do we get it to meow 3 times? So we're going to click on the C inside. And I see all the code here. When the flag is clicked, say meow 3 times and repeat 3 times, play the sound meow. What we have to do is fix this. And that's your job. So you've got 5 programs you've got to do. Each one of these has a very straightforward, a very easy fix that you need to implement. And you can either choose to add those to our studio, or you're going to write down the solutions on your quiz paper. So that's what you're going to be working on in class. Good luck. I know you can do it. Have fun, experiment, move things around. Remember that you can always retype in that web address to start over if you make something happen. You cannot break this. Just start over with the program because the steps are going to be very simple. Once again, this is Mr. Potter. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.